Have you ever wondered how airplanes fly safely in icy winter weather? It's all thanks to de-icing fluid. This special liquid is essential for keeping airplanes safe during takeoff and landing. Ice and snow can stick to the wings and body of an airplane. This buildup disrupts airflow and makes it difficult for the plane to fly properly. De-icing fluid is sprayed onto the plane to remove ice and snow. It also prevents ice from forming again. Think of it like windshield wiper fluid, but for airplanes. Without de-icing fluid, flying in cold weather would be much more dangerous. So, how does de-icing fluid actually work? It's all about changing the freezing point of water. You see, water normally freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When de-icing fluid is applied, it mixes with the water and lowers its freezing point. This means that the water stays liquid even when the temperature is below freezing. There are two main types of de-icing fluid: Type 1 and Type IV. Type 1 fluids work by melting the ice directly. They are often orange in color. Type IV fluids are more viscous, meaning they are thicker and stickier. These fluids stick to the airplane's surface and prevent ice from forming. They are typically green. Now you might be wondering why de-icing fluid comes in different colors. It's not just for looks. The colors serve an important purpose. They help ground crews see where the fluid has been applied. This ensures that the entire airplane is properly treated. Imagine trying to spray a clear liquid onto a white airplane covered in snow. It would be nearly impossible to tell where you've already sprayed. The bright colors make it easy to see which areas still need to be de-iced. Different colors of de-icing fluid indicate different properties and uses. Orange de-icing fluid is often used for initial de-icing. Green de-icing fluid is typically used for anti-icing, which means it prevents ice from forming again. The colors also help distinguish between different types of de-icing fluid. This ensures that the correct fluid is used for the specific weather conditions and aircraft type. So, the next time you see an airplane being sprayed with colorful fluid, remember that it's not just for show, it's a vital safety measure that keeps us safe in the skies.